Hello people, here is Marcutti. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I have a very nice idea for the Bialetti schema for this old system. Yeah, the Christian is my teacher, English teacher, and the community for YouTube have verlangt, wie sag ich, verlangt?
The community requested to make a video about it on English.
Yeah.
He's not very good at English, so I'm just trying to help him. So I'm not the best at English either, so I'm sorry for that. Last time he made a video in German and in Italian, I think, and you guys asked to make it in English. So here we go.
Yeah.
This is the first return valve. He took it from it's 20 years old. He took it from a industrial coffee machine.
Yeah, this is very old.
It's very old. It's over 20 years old. After that, he took this return valve, but the problem with that is I hope you can see it. The spring is way too soft. Because of that, he took it apart and fitted a stronger spring. It's much harder. Because of that, there's higher pressure in this chamber right here.
Yeah.
And the foam is getting better.
The return valve this is the original return valve. This one, and here I open the valve. Here is inside the spring and the decal. Huh? Okay, yeah. This one I'm long time search. This is the very difficulty.
Yeah, he searched for that a long time because I think it's a difficult size to find. It's pretty hard right now, and yeah.
Yeah. Okay. When you this one going inside. Oh, wait a little bit. So, take the screwdriver. So, and positionation here the spring and close it with the decal. Huh? So, click, and can you see this, Christian? You see here the 3 millimeters.
That's the spring working. You can press in. You can apply pressure right here, and you see the.
Yeah, it's not too much, but this is very ideally for making a very fine steam crema for coffee. Huh? And this return valve passed.
It fits
perfect. Yeah,
it fits perfectly right in here.
Yeah, that's what I have here O-ring, and das so muss es hier tun.
You have to put it in that way.
Yeah, so
the orange
the
orange ring is on the lower side.
Yeah, so, and push here a little bit. So.
You just have to push it down so it fits right and tight.
Yeah, this is okay. You see this? Okay, perfectly. Yeah, that is okay. Now the filter here. So, and the O-ring this side and close it. Okay. And here you see, yes, you see a little bit.
You can maybe see the valve a little bit, but
yeah,
the camera won't focus.
Yes.
Maybe you can see it a bit.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going up and make a test, Christian.
We're gonna test it now, and we can show you guys the final result. By the way, that's also from a really old coffee machine, an industrial coffee machine. The same one in which he took the valve out.
So, I have here 14, very speedy.
That's the maximum power you can put out.
Yes, the maximum power. This is okay. 2 minutes, and later I go into 12. 11.
So he's going to put it on 14 for about 1 to 2 minutes, and after that he's going to put it on 12. So yeah.
Now I wait for water is hot. Yeah, the valve is not a problem over here. I have a security valve.
That's an overpressure valve, so
yeah.
when there's too much pressure in there, it's just gonna release it out of there.
That is no problem. Okay. You have your 11. Oh, 11. You see? Ooh. Slowly. That is perfectly. Now. Little bit. So. Whoa.
You can hear it building now.
Oh, close it is better. You can see. That is a fine Bialetti schiuma, eh?
That's a really good fume. He made that by himself. It's his original builder of that.
Yeah, after 50 years of coffee machines I working.
Yeah, he worked a long time on coffee machines, so he came up with that system.
Look at this, okay? You see? That is Marcutti system. Very big schiuma.
Okay, this is our second try. We want to check if it's consistent. And we also made a video with a pressure pump for a bicycle. And that's really unique. You should check that out. It's really funny.
Okay, now coming. Yes, now. Wait. After 11. Now we make a very steam. Yeah. Yeah, close. No, it's okay. You see? Oh, this is the crema, eh?
This is perfect.
Yeah. Little bit, not too much. Yeah. That. Okay, Christian? You see? How much crema, eh? It's not finishing. Yes. Now, eh? Oh, little bit. Yeah, take this for here. Eh? You see how much crema for coffee? Wow, yeah, Christian.
That's perfect.
This is fine. Yeah, you like this video? Give me a subscribe and
thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Marcutti and Christian.
Bye.
Bye bye.